And legal experts really aren't sure what's going to happen today to the American healthcare system when the Obamacare Affordable Care Act goes before the U.S. Supreme Court, a court now solidly conservative and whose justices may strike down part or all of a system that right now covers people with pre-existing conditions. Taking that away would be catastrophic to Blythedale Children's Hospital in Valhalla. I spoke with its CEO, Larry Levine.
There would be enormous pain felt by the sick kids and families if this act is invalidated. Wayne, as you may know, 100% of our patients have pre-existing medical conditions, and many of these patients will require extensive medical and rehabilitation services over their lifetime. It's actually unimaginable to think that a child would be limited in the amount of physical, speech, or occupational therapy services they could receive, or having a medically fragile child reaching a cap in expenses because the medicines they need to sustain their health are deemed too expensive by an insurance company.
We did hear during the debates that, don't worry, people with pre-existing conditions will be covered. President Trump said that, although is there anything to back that up?
No, and 4 years under the Trump administration, regrettably, there's been no bill to replace the Affordable Care Act. We are still waiting for a specific Senate bill that would, in fact, replace the ACA and protect all of these things that the ACA had provisions for.
And now we're looking at the U.S. Supreme Court. What are you seeing as a possible outcome given the makeup of the court now?
Yeah. Well, it's very possible with the addition of the new Supreme Court Justice, Amy Coney Barrett, that the court could overturn the Affordable Care Act, ruling that the individual mandate that requires one to buy health insurance is deemed to be coercive and therefore unconstitutional. And if that happens, the court could then go on to rule that the remainder of the Affordable Care Act cannot be separated from the individual mandate, and the entire law would be thrown out. It's quite conceivable that the vote could be 5-4 or even 6-3, nullifying the entire ACA. However, on the other side, during the court's oral argument today, lawyers will be advocating that even if the individual mandate is ruled unconstitutional, that the individual mandate can in fact be separated from the rest of the law, and the remainder of the ACA can still operate effectively, meaning that all of the law's protections would remain.
Well, a lot is on the line there at Blythedale Children's Hospital in Westchester. Larry Levine there, the CEO, and the High Court decision is expected to come in June.